Hello and welcome to the making of prototype video. The first stage of this video is the research stage. This is me looking on the Earfun website, trying to find colour schemes and things like that. This is the Libretone website. This is one of my influences. I was taking in their colour schemes, the transitions they use, the blocks. This is me making a wireframe. So I'm just copying the previous version, the previous iteration, making changes, so in this case upping the navigation bar, adding another product. So this product has a scroll feature, so I'm just going to duplicate this, the old object, and then make another one, and we've both got the scrolling feature. So that's the wireframe. Now this is me prototyping. This is my first iteration. So I've already made a previous product section, but this is another one. This is the Earfun, the Earfun 3 Pro, I believe this one is. So this is me putting the cards out, putting the images onto the cards, resizing, making it a component. You've got to make each one a component, and they're easy. Then you can, if you need another one, then you can just edit the component and then get another one. This is me adding the text using the character styles that I already inputted. Also, I've got the components for the image background as well, and a button, which you'll see in a minute. Adding the text, this is the features, and that's the read more button. Just making some small changes to this now, making the image slightly smaller, so then it all stacks into one little section in between both images. And that is looking almost done. Selecting all of it now and making it a component, and that's previewing it, and there it is. This is me putting a box around it, and then making the whole thing a component. This is I'm about to animate all of these features, all of these images, should I say, and objects. So then, when the user hovers over it, they'll see an animation. So that's me doing the top one. I've just been changing the default state, and now I'm just doing the hover state. Just lowering the opacity of that bit of text, and then increasing it when the user hovers over it. And there we go. That's it working. So the user hovers over it, and then the animation occurs. Now this is me making my burger menu. I'm using After Effects for this, and then I'll put it into Lottie files. So this is me making keyframes for every position. I am keyframing the scale of each of the bars, and then when you run it through, all the scale changes. And this is me opening Lottie files and rendering this this animation. That was me saving it as a JSON file, and then this is me loading it up on the web. And I actually used the web version of this is me using an animation I made previously and adding it into XD. So it's in XD, and now I'm just doing a similar thing I did before with the animation. So making a hover state for the text, so the text will run in, and then the animation will start simultaneously when the user hovers over this area. So if you add like I did before, I added the background, so you can make the whole thing a component. So yeah, when you hover over that area, so it's me hovering onto it, the animation starts and the text rolls in. So it looks like it's all happening seamlessly when the user scrolls onto the area. And this is the finished product. This is just a little excerpt from the action video, and then this is it. Well, you can see all of the entire video in my files, and I'll link it to you on YouTube as well. But this is just a little preview of it. So yeah, I think that's about it. Thank you for watching.